Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will create one of the best compositions I've ever tasted. Spaghetti with shrimps, cream, garlic, dill, and Parmigiani Reggiani. Shortly speaking, heaven in the mouth. But first, as usual, allow me to present all components that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. First, extra virgin olive oil on the pan. Thinly sliced onion goes on. Onion is okay, add shrimps. Cream, 18%, goes on. 2 cloves of garlic. Time to chop dill. Salt. Freshly ground pepper. Super dish is ready. Okay, let's make it beautiful now.